That right there is what happens to your shirt when you're wearing makeup and watch funny videos that are too funny. You start streaming tears from laughter, pick up your shirt like a classy babe, wipe your eyes, and end up with that on your shirt. Booyah. But in fun news, also fun news, because I was laughing so hard I was crying. It's like pretty fun. I made apple cobbler crisp. It looks dark, but that's just because I put cranberries in it. And the cranberries are really dark. And I put tons of cinnamon because I do not believe in too little cinnamon. So it gets dark from the cinnamon and the cranberries. And I tried something new. There's millet and there's coconut. Let's find out how this tastes. I haven't tried this before. Not this way. Yum. Well, I mean, stewed apples are always good. My classic is just so good. It's like the best ever. It's good. It's nothing like my good one. Nothing like my famous stuff.